Hi there, students. Manqué. Manqué. An adjective, a post-positive adjective, goes after the noun. Okay, so if you call somebody, for example, an artist manqué, it means this person could have been an artist, but they weren't. They've never had the opportunity to do it. Although it's clear that they have the ability to do it. Yeah, so he's an artist manqué. He's a poet manqué. He's a rock star manqué. Yeah, he's a writer manqué. Okay, that means he could have been a writer, but it never happened. Yeah, they have failed to become what they might have been. Yeah, so this is somebody who doesn't fulfill either their talents or their aspirations. Yeah, so yeah, if you hear him singing in the bath, he's definitely a rock star manqué. Yeah, it's saying that he could have been, that he would like to have been, but it never happened. Yeah, they never had the type of job that is described. Yeah, maybe they wanted to do it. They always wanted to do it, but they didn't do it. This is like the phrase a wannabe. Yeah, somebody who would like to be something, but they've never had the opportunity to do it. He's definitely an international political leader, Manqué. You see the way he tells everyone what to do and is very good at it and makes them feel very happy about it. So this is talking about either unfulfilled ambitions or unfulfilled capabilities. Yeah, this is could have been, might have been, should have been, but wasn't. Okay, and this is the idea. Notice we always use it in the phrase a profession or something like that, manqué. Yeah, so if you hear him explaining the meaning of words to people, you will know that he's an English teacher manqué. Yeah, it's like he's missed the opportunity to do something that he would have been very good at, or he's missed the opportunity to do what he always wanted to do. Yeah, so when you see him playing football with the kids, you can definitely see that he's a professional footballer, manqué. Yeah, in reality he's an accountant, but he would have loved to be a professional footballer, or he would have been very good at it, and that's the idea. So as to formality, this is French. I think it sounds a little bit posh. I think I'm going to give it 6.5 in formality, although I think you could use it informally, but I would use it informally within a posh situation. Use it semi-formally in something literary, semi-formal or even formal writing. Okay, this word comes from French, from the verb manquer, to lack or to miss, which itself comes from Italian mancare, to be lacking, to be missing, not to have. So yeah, the idea is very similar. Okay, so yeah, a politician manqué. Yeah, he should have been a politician. He could have been a politician. He wanted to be a politician, but it never happened. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Manqué.